Hello students, welcome to the training session on dumper or tipper. In this session, we will know about different types of dumper or tipper trucks and understand the major components of a dumper or tipper. Let us now evaluate ourselves. How far have we understood the basics of dumper or tipper and whether we are ready to move on to our next most crucial chapter, components of a dumper or tipper. Question number 1. What is the main use of a dumper? Option A, transport materials. Option B, transport livestock. Option C, transport human beings. And option D, none of the above. Yes, you guessed it right. It's transport material. Question number 2. A dumper uses which fundamental property of nature for unloading or dumping? Option A, reflection of light. Option B, gravity. Option C, wind force. And option D, none of the above. Yes, you guessed it right. It's gravity. Now that we have completed the quiz, let us move to the topic. A dumper, tipper is used for transportation materials like sand, rock or waste or advancement, just as coal and other minerals. Nowadays, different types of dumpers exist. The name dumper mainly comes from the fact that the rear of the vehicle can be lifted to discharge or dump the load. These are available in various shapes, size, and load capacities. Dumper, tipper are very convenient for transporting loose materials for mining or construction. Here are 5 commonly used dumper, tipper. Standard tipper or normal dump truck. Semi-trailer end tipper. Side dump trucks. Haul truck or dumpers. And belly tipper truck or bottom dump truck. Let us now see the components of a dumper, tipper. Dump box and dump bed. Tires or wheel. Canopy. Cabin. Engine. Fuel tank. Hydraulic system. Braking system. Transmission. And gauges or meters. Number 1. Dump box and dump bed. A typical dump truck is equipped with an open box bed hinged at the rear and equipped with hydraulic ramps to lift the front, allowing the materials in the bed to be deposited on the ground behind the truck at the site of delivery. Number 2. Tires or wheel. The dump tires are designed to meet the most severe working conditions requirement. Tires must withstand various surfaces encountered during mining and transporting bulk because they operate in different areas such as soft, muddy and rocky terrains. Canopy. A canopy is an additional part of the dumper body which protects the driver's cabin. And this one is made up of the same sheet that was used to make the dumper body with the same gauge that leads to additional weight to the dumper. Number 4. Cabin. The operator is stationed in the cabin of a dumper. Dumper cabins are manufactured against the customer's requirement as per their specifications and drawings. The cabin has featured like integral ROPS cabin or FOPS cabins, sound suppressed, ergonomically sound cabins, air conditioners, power window, laminated windshield, and so on. Number 5. Engine. Modern dumpers have huge load capacity and usually steer by articulating at the middle of the chassis, that is pivot steering. Generally, they have multi-cylinder diesel engines, turbocharged, electric start, and hydraulics for tipping and steering, and are usually 4-wheel drive. Fuel tank. As the name suggests, liquid fuel, that is diesel, is stored in the fuel tank. It is connected to a meter in the cabin called a fuel gauge. This meter shows the amount of fuel remaining in the fuel tank. When the fuel level goes down, the caution lamp lights up. It indicates less fuel remaining in the tank, so check and add fuel. The capacity of the fuel tank varies for different manufacturers. However, it is around 250 to 350 liters for most of the dumpers. Number 7. Hydraulic system. Dump truck hydraulic systems are usually located between the cabin and the body of the dump bed. The hydraulic system used on dump truck beds is made of 4 main parts: a control valve, the hydraulic pump, hydraulic fluid, pistons, and cylinders. Number 8. Braking system. Brakes on dumpers are operated by compressed air. Some dumpers are equipped with hydraulic retarders, that is, hydro trailer. This is a device used on some trucks and dumpers to prevent the speed from exceeding certain limits when traveling a steep down slope, and also to produce a braking action on the vehicle. It uses hydraulic friction to produce the braking action. Unlike the regular brakes, the hydro trailer will not completely stop the vehicle but will slow it down preparatory to stopping with the familiar friction brakes operated by compressed air or hydraulic pressure. The retarder essentially consists of a vane-type rotor turned by the drive shaft, a fixed casing or stator fitted with vanes, and an oil circulation system. Number 9. Transmission. The transmission enables the gear ratio between the engine and the drive wheels to change as the car speeds up and slows down. Dump truck transmission is either manual or automatic. While manual transmission provides better performance due to various gear options, the automatic one comes with a flexible torque converter. The automatic transmission eliminates the wear and tear of the manual and automated transmission clutch, and it is the easiest to drive, making it less fatiguing for the driver or operator. It also allows the driver to keep their eyes on the road and hands on the steering wheel, increasing safety. Number 10. Gauges or meters. All the gauges and meters show the health of the dumper. The main meter or gauges in a dumper dashboard are speedometer, engine tachometer, fuel gauge, engine water temperature gauge, torque converter oil temperature meter, retarder oil temperature gauge, and so on. With this, we have come to the end of this session. Let us now evaluate our understanding. Question 1. Which of the following is a part of a dumper cabin? Option A. Windshield. Option B. Tires. Option C. Fuel tank. And option D. None of the above. Yes, you guessed it right. It's windshield. Question 2. Where is the hydraulic systems of a dumper located? Option A. At the rear of the dumper. Option B. Between the cabin and body of the dump bed. Option C. At the bottom of the cabin. And option D. None of the above. Yes, you guessed it right. It's between the cabin and body of the dump bed. Question number 3. What is used as fuel in a dumper? Option A. Liquid oxygen. Option B. Petrol. Option C. Diesel. And option D. None of the above. Yes, you guessed it right. It's diesel.